In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your camera settings in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're getting ready for an important meeting, a presentation, or just want to look a bit more professional on your calls, knowing how to quickly tweak your camera settings in Teams can make a big difference. I'll walk you through exactly where everything is and what each option does, so you'll feel confident before you turn your camera on. Let's start from inside Microsoft Teams. First, open the app and make sure you're signed in. From here, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that, and a small menu will appear. In that menu, select Settings. This is where you can control most of your personal preferences for Teams, including your devices. Once the settings window opens, look for the section labeled Devices. Go ahead and click on that. In the Devices area, you'll see different sections for audio and video. Focus on the camera section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose which camera you want to use. If you have more than one camera connected, like a built-in laptop camera and an external webcam, they'll all be listed here. Select the camera you want to use for your meetings. Below the camera selection, you should see a live preview of your video. Take a moment to check how you look in the frame. This is a good time to adjust your position, your lighting, or your background in your physical space. Simple changes, like facing a window or adding a lamp in front of you, can really improve how clear and bright your video appears. In this same camera section, you may see options like soft focus or background effects. Soft focus can slightly smooth your image, which some people prefer for a more polished look. Background effects let you blur what's behind you or choose a virtual background. If you use a virtual background, try to sit in front of a relatively plain background and avoid fast movements so the effect looks cleaner. When you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, simply close the settings window. Your choices are saved automatically and will apply to your upcoming calls. That's all you need to adjust your camera settings in Microsoft Teams. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes second nature, and you'll be ready to join any meeting looking clear, well lit, and professional.